are these reports, man? Motorcycle found in aisle 5. Please clean up motorcycle in aisle 5.
So this is our news report.
Yeah, okay. Oh, what are these reports, man? Now, this better be the last one. Dead man in aisle 2. Dead man to be cleaned up in aisle 2.
Damn it, I got my bloody motorcycle stuck in the bagging area. How can I get it out? Come on.
Man, stupid report.
So I've got another report of the last 0.01 seconds.
How? How has there been this many reports?
Sir, I
Can I
don't
just-
know.
Let me just read the first one. Motorcycle found in bagging area. Please, you know what? I'm done. Break that report card. I'm out of here.